Cracking the code, setting goals and timelines for SAT, ACT prep. Hey learners! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial parts of your SAT or ACT prep: setting goals and timelines. Planning ahead can make a huge difference in your test performance, and we're here to guide you through it. Let's get started. You might wonder, why should I set goals for my test prep? Well, goals provide direction, motivation, and a clear path to what you want to achieve. By knowing what score you aim for or which areas you want to improve in, you can create a focused study plan. 1. Direction. Knowing your endpoint will guide your everyday choices and actions. 2. Motivation. Goals serve as reminders of why you're putting in the effort. 3. Measurement. Goals allow you to track your progress over time. When setting goals, consider using the SMART framework. Make sure your goals are: 1. Specific. Instead of, "I want to do better," say, "I want to increase my score by 50 points." 2. Measurable. Set benchmarks. For example, if you're aiming for a 50-point increase, maybe first aim for a 25-point boost in the first month. 3. Attainable. Your goal should be challenging but reachable. Understand your current capabilities and time constraints. 4. Relevant. Ensure the goal aligns with your overall objectives, like getting into a specific college. 5. Time-bound. Set a clear deadline. I aim to increase my score by 50 points in the next 2 months. Once you've set clear goals, the next step is to map out a timeline. 1. Start early. Ideally, begin your preparation at least 3 to 4 months before the test date. 2. Allocate time. Break down your prep time. Dedicate specific hours to different sections of the test. 3. Review and adjust. Check in on your progress weekly. If you're falling behind or excelling in certain areas, adjust your study plan accordingly. 4. Practice tests. Incorporate full-length practice tests into your timeline. These provide a benchmark for your progress and simulate real test conditions. Sticking to your timeline is crucial. Here are some tips to stay on track. 1. Visual reminders. Create a study calendar or set reminders on your phone. 2. Study buddies. Team up with a friend. This adds a level of accountability. 3. Reward system. Set up rewards for milestones you reach in your prep. 4. Stay positive. Remember that every bit of effort you put in brings you closer to your goal. Preparing for the SAT or ACT isn't just about cramming knowledge, it's about strategic planning and consistent effort. With clear goals and a well-structured timeline, you're already a step ahead in your journey. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of setting goals and timelines for your test prep. Best of luck, and keep pushing forward.